This is a 20 pack of clear plastic PVC tote bags with the cutest sports themed designs. I was sent from Aliceset to review, so let me show you a closer look. They have a ton of different variations for these with so many different sports. We got the soccer themed one, of course, because my daughters play club soccer and we thought these would be really fun to gift to their teammates. They are nice and wide, over 3 inches at the bottom, about 8 inches high and wide. So it's a great size that's gonna hold a lot, whether it's a gift or snacks or candy or whatever. The quality is really nice. The plastic is like heavy duty, really nice feeling. We've got reinforced handles, so everything's like really strong. Doesn't seem like anything's gonna rip or break, just awesome. The design is on one side only. The back is just clear. So again, depending on what you put in there, if you're filling the whole front, then the back will be just clear, if that makes sense. Depending on what you put in there, they will be self-standing because of that big wide bottom. Whether you are gifting stuff to a whole team or a couple of friends or filling sports themed party goodie bags, I mean, these are just amazing, even for like handing out Halloween candy and stuff. I mean, just so great. I love it. Also fun, like if you're a coach and you're handing out new kits or new jerseys or new soccer socks, whatever, like really fun. I love these, and know you and your little sports lovers will too.